I have just installed the Harbor Breeze Wakefield ceiling fan. When I turn the switch, the unit beeps twice but does not work. What did I do wrong?
Did you double-check the thermostat? And what about the unit's filters?
What thermostat?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I can help you with this. Stand by while I review the specifications of your fan. Hi, can you make sure the season switch on the remote control is not stuck in the middle? That could be the issue. The beeps are supposed to indicate the fan speed selected, so it would seem that the fan has power.
I don't see a season switch on the housing. The drawing shows it on top, there is not one there.
Sorry, I meant on the remote. I edited the post, but I guess it wasn't in time. If that doesn't work, try resyncing the remote with the fan. Turn power off, then back. Then within 30 seconds press the Learn button on the back of the remote, under the battery door.
Where is it on the remote? Is the light on the remote supposed to come on when a command is given?
See attachment for button identification.
At the top of the remote above the speed control, looks like a light. Is this supposed to light up when I push a button on the remote?
It is unclear in the documentation whether the remote light comes on when a command is given.
I have pressed the season button, but still nothing happens. Sorry, I moved the season button to the left and pressed the center button on the speed control.
Okay, have you tried the resyncing process like I suggested above?
I turned off the power, pressed Learn and turned the power back on.
Have you tried pressing a fan speed control button? Do you have more than one fan remote that could be interfering with each other?
This is the only remote fan we have. Neither the light or the fan are coming on.
Okay, let's try the other dip switch setting anyway. In the back of the remote under the battery door, slide the little dip switch to the other position, either 1 or 0, then resync the remote by turning power to the fan off. Make sure the power switch or circuit breaker is being turned off, not the power switch on the remote control, then back on and then pressing Learn on the back of the remote. After you do this to verify successful synchronization, the ceiling fan light, if installed, will blink 3 times and remain on, and the fan will rotate on high speed.
Neither occurred.
Did the remote beep twice?
It sounded as though the fan itself beeped twice. Not the remote.
Okay, yes, that would be the remote receiver inside the fan. That indicates power is normal. I think you may have a defective remote control. Try changing the batteries and go through the resync process again just to make sure.
Okay, I will need to go to the store to get another battery. It is an odd size, I don't keep at home.
Do you have a multimeter at home you can test the battery with?
No, sorry, I don't.
Okay, then I guess you will have to go the new battery route.
How can I get back in touch with you when I get back?
You can just bookmark this page and resume. Did you create an account? You may have to sign in again.
I think so, thanks.
Let me know how it goes.
It was a dead battery, everything works now. Thanks for the help.
Okay, great. Glad I could help. Don't forget to rate me.
Will do.
My kids thank you. I'm putting money towards a new play fort for them.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.